Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and access. You need manage emojis /stickers or Nitro to use external stickers, so check that now. Once you confirm, open Discord on desktop or web because those interfaces let you inspect sticker details. Mobile can limit options. Next, navigate to the server and the exact message or sticker panel where the sticker appears so you can begin copying or adding it. Doing this fast preserves context and avoids permission surprises later. Now you extract and import the sticker. If you can access the asset, right-click and use Inspect or Copy link to get the image file URL. Download a PNG/apping or Lottie.json as needed. Once you have the file and you manage the destination server, open Server Settings, go to Stickers, and upload with a name and description so Discord accepts it. If you don't manage the server, request the owner export it, or rely on Nitro, which lets you use stickers across servers without uploading. Finish by confirming permissions and testing the sticker in chat. Assign roles that can use it, then send a quick test message. If an upload fails, make sure the file matches Discord's type and size rules and that Apping or Lottie animations meet specs. Adjust and retry. If you're relying on Nitro for cross-server use, double-check your subscription and that the target servers boost tier permit sticker usage. If problems persist, re-download the asset and repeat the import steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.